Namaste and a very good morning to all of you. I welcome you to my channel, The Outlier. My name is Mithu. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating how to construct a density plot using STATCRAFT. But even before I demonstrate how to perform a density plot, I request all of you to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. As you can see in front of your screen, there are two columns. This data is about higher education for 4 different states, namely Delhi, Gujarat, Kerala, and West Bengal. We will be using the density plot to compare the density of student enrollment for these 4 states. How do we construct a density plot in STATCRAFT? Firstly, what we need to do is click on the Analyze menu. When we click on the Analyze menu, STATCRAFT displays the different options that are present in the Analyze menu. What I'll do is I'll scroll down to the option Graphics. You can see here, there is an option which is called as Graphics. Let me click on the drop-down menu for Graphics. What this does is it displays all the options for graphics that are present in STATCRAFT. You can see here, you can construct a pyramid plot or a dual axis plot or a density plot. I'll choose the option Density Plot. Let me go ahead and click on density plot. What this does is it opens up a new dialog box. In this dialog box, in the left-hand side, it displays the 2 variables, namely state and grand total of student enrollment. In the right-hand side, it expects me to specify the variable name and the factor name. Under the variable list, I'll choose grand total of student enrollment, and under the factor, I'll choose the categorical variable, namely state. I repeat, under the variable list, you can choose the scale variable, and under the factor, you can choose the state list. This gives me the distribution of student enrollment for the 4 states, Delhi, Gujarat, Kerala, and West Bengal. You can specify the alpha value. Once you have specified the variable, the factor, and the alpha value, you can go ahead and click on the option OK. It takes a couple of moments for STATCRAFT to process this data. And as you can see here in the output window, what we can see here is a density plot. In the x-axis, we have the student enrollment rate, and in the y-axis, we have different density levels. And as you can see here, there are 4 different colors. Each of these colors correspond to one state. For example, the pink color corresponds to Delhi, green corresponds to Gujarat. Similarly, you have different colors for Kerala and West Bengal. To interpret this particular density plot, what I will do is I will take you to PowerPoint. It's always easier to interpret from PowerPoint. So as you can see here, I've copy pasted the same graph in PowerPoint. So this is the student enrollment density plot. What can we understand from this? It's a very interesting trend. When you look at the lower levels of X, especially from 0 to 500, what you see is there is a peak in the green color, and that green color corresponds to Gujarat. But if you look at after 1000 till about 4500 up to 5000, what you see is a domination of pink color, and pink color, you can look at the legend, is Delhi. So how do we finally make the recommendation? As per this plot, if you focus on the 0 to 1000 class, students enrollment in class 0 up to 1000 is maximum in the state of Gujarat, then Kerala, and then West Bengal, and lastly in Delhi. But when you go beyond 1000, Delhi outperforms all the other states. With this density plot, we can easily tell which of the 4 states is performing high when it comes to student enrollment, and that is the advantage of using a density plot. At what stage we use a density plot? Density plot is usually used at the level of exploratory data analysis. With this, I have come to the end of today's video. I request you to like, share, subscribe to this particular channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day.